Hello, so here I am in the UK, not far from home in a little picnic area, and I'm going to set up a station using a mopping pole, here it is, as a antenna with the help of my auto tuner. So I'm now going to give it a tune, but it seems to be having trouble. I have tuned in a mopping pole before, honest, and got a few miles, but I'm having trouble with this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it down. I'm going to try again tomorrow, which is at the end of this video. And while I was doing so, I was just looking at the fog coming down the river, which was quite a pretty view, sort of. So I'm now going to tune in a vertical wire, just a piece of old speaker wire actually, cut to roughly the right length, and then the auto tuner does the rest. And we're tuned in.
So we're tuned in. Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu portable. Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu portable.
This is Kilo Papa 2, November, Portugal. AP2NP. The name is Pete. My QTH is Long Island, New York. Over.
New York. New York to England.
I started as a kid in 1954. My old car was W1ZIP, W1ZIP, but I'm only back on the air after a break of 35 years. I was off the air.
I don't usually hear Americans, so see how good we go. Maybe the conditions are good.
Back to you, and thank you for getting back to us. See a 2EQ collection on that. 2E0 LSB from KC1 CWW.
Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu QRP. Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu QRP.
And I look forward to the next time. Mike 0 X-Ray Lima Tango. 9 Hotel 3 Radio 73 Kevin. Many thanks. Bye-bye.
Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu QRP.
Thanks, Kevin. You'll find all of that also QRZ.com. Look forward to the next time. 73. Bye-bye. QRZ for any call is 9 Hotel 3 Radio over.
Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu QRP.
Okay, the Mike 6 QRP, go ahead.
Hello, Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu QRP over.
Okay, Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu QRP 73, good afternoon. My name is Terry, Tango Echo, Double Radio Yankee, and I'm located in Macarthur. Mike Tango Alpha, Radio Fox Alpha, on the island of Malta, go ahead.
Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu receiving. Location here is Gloucestershire, England, and I'm QRP sat in the park running off a vertical wire.
Okay, just contact the personal name, your
5 and 5.
5-5 to 5-6. And again, my name is Terry. Please, can you send me your name for the log there?
Yeah, Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu receiving. Yes, hi Terry. Name here is Darren. That's Darren Delta Alpha Romeo Romeo Echo November. Over.
Okay, I didn't get that. The call sign again is 9 Hotel 3 Romeo Romeo. 9 Honolulu 3 Radio Radio. Over.
9 Hotel 3 Romeo Romeo. This is Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu QRP. Yeah, name here is Darren Delta Alpha Romeo Romeo Echo November.
Okay, because the band conditions have changed. I do apologise. I'm not picking up what you're saying. You're right down in the noise level now, but you did make the log, and I will be uploading the log to QRZ over the weekend. Many thanks for taking the time this afternoon. I look forward to the next time. Mexico 6 Delta Zulu Zulu 9 Honolulu 3 Radio Radio 73. Good luck and bye for any call.
Thanks very much, Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu clear. Okay, I've packed down now. The mist has come in, it's getting darker. Time to go home. Okay, so today's another day and we got the broom pole up and I've got it tuned in with the help of my automatic tuner. Just pressing the button and it tunes in lovely. Well, it did tune in lovely just now. Now it seems to be struggling. There we go. So that is one broom pole, what, 4.5 foot or so, 4 foot, aluminium broom pole, tuned into my auto tuner on 20 metre. Let's see what I can get. One radio, one 7-amp battery, connected to some coax, about 3 meters of coax, joined onto two Jubilee clips, one going to the bottom of the mop pole, the surround going to a counterpoise or earth. Whether it makes a difference or not, it's not quite stretched out, but I've got a tent peg clipped onto the end. Let's see what I can get. Delta Zulu Zulu QRP. No problem tuning in. Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu QRP returning. Name here is Darren Delta Alpha Romeo Romeo Echo November.
I'm sorry, I don't copy. Very sure I am at this moment. You're seeing a 515. 515, you're seeing a please. This is only your call sire. This is Italy, number 0, Charlie and Lima Radio, 12.
It's Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu. Mike 6 Delta Zulu Zulu QRP.
also Zulu, copy. I'm sorry.
Because I'm on tiny power, he's probably on lots of power, so we can hear him, but he can't hear me so well.
Non copy very well. I'm sorry for my English. My English only question off. Repeat again. Charlie, Lima Radio,
Curacao, yeah, it is Mike 6, Delta Zulu Zulu. Location, England, Gloucestershire, over.
Zulu Alpha 1, Kilo Lima. Calling secure, standing by, over.
Mike 6, Delta Zulu Zulu QRP. Okay, so I'm now giving a go with the railing. Just a little Jubilee clip onto the railing. Let's give it a go. We shall see what happens. Let's give it a tune. Okay, so we're tuned into the railing. See if we can hear anything. Got some up there. Try and tune in when I hear them again.
Bravo, this is Charlie Tango 1, Juliet Romeo Oscar. Do you still read me, Gerald?
Mike 6, Delta Zulu Zulu QRP.
Alpha 0, call for Del Bravo. Okay, Gerald.
So what is that? This is Yankee Tango 1 Alpha.
Mike 6, Delta Zulu Zulu QRP.
What is that, X-ray?
Mike 6, Delta Zulu Zulu QRP.
Is it Whiskey Baker 0 X-ray, Roger?
Okay, so I got about 1,000 miles on a mopping pole on 10 watts. I'm not very far on the railing, but you could hear stuff on the railing, so that could be useful. And I will try and get out some more using a railing. That's it for now, so thanks very much, and bye-bye.